You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in French and in English. Yes, this is the past tense of the verb to sing. And it's pronounced in British English. It has a slightly different pronunciation in American English. So let's go through. Sang. Sang is the British English pronunciation. In American English, it's often pronounced rather as sang. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.